Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's that my wife is enjoying her favorite time of the year, autumn. It's autumnal. It's cool. We're looking for new, refreshing drinks.
I don't like fall.
You don't?
I don't like the fall.
But it's sweater weather.
I don't like sweater weather. I like to be on the boat.
Okay, so she doesn't like sweater weather, so now what I gotta do is I gotta find a great cocktail to keep her occupied. So, since we just went to the orchard today and we picked up a gallon of cider, we are going to make something called, what are we going to make, honey?
We are making, it's called Fireball Cider.
Fireball Cider. So let's start. In taking a mixing glass, we're going to take 6 ounces of fresh apple cider. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of cider. It's good for you. Helps cleanse the system.
Freshly pressed.
Freshly pressed and fresh as best. And now we're going to take Fireball, because it is Fireball cider. We're going to use 1 ounce of Fireball. That's going to go into the glass. Next, kind of a strange twist, but we're going to use triple sec. You can use Cointreau, you can use Grand Marnier, but hey, I'm retired, I'm on a budget. We're using triple sec. And that's going to go in there. That's going to go in there. It's in there. Next, we'll take some ice. Put that in the glass. Give it a good shake. Now, if you don't want this cold, you can also heat it up. It's a nice warm toddy. And that goes in back. Nice shake. Cooled down. We're going to take a Tom Collins glass. And as I look here underneath the bar in Studio 2683, take that. We're going to throw some more ice in there. Generously fill it with ice, because I'm doing this one as cold. A little more ice. Running out of ice. We're going to strain. There we go. Get the glass. Because it is fall, because it is apple cider, we're going to take and garnish with an apple slice in there. Let's throw a straw in there. And that is the Fireball cider. And here comes my best friend to steal my drink. What?
No, let me take a sip. You can take a sip too.
What do you think? Good?
Apples and cinnamon, it's really good.
I like this. This apples, cinnamon, it's a great flavor. What's that?
A little sparkling water to go inside. For a little bit of fizz, put your Pellegrino in here. Get you a little fizz on the tongue.
I hate to say it, folks, she's right again. Remember, Drunken Sailor, YouTube, drink responsibly, folks. Thanks for joining us again. Don't forget to subscribe.